2 months since the rollout of the vaccination exercise here in Ghana, a local team with responsibility for tracking and documenting serious adverse reactions by vaccine recipients said it hasn't had the cost to investigate any red flags to date. The government Analyst, Food and Drug Department is mandated with reporting such reactions to global and regional networks, which would then advise on the way forward. In an exclusive interview with Nightly News on Tuesday, Fayon Duncan, Senior Drug Inspector Acting of the Government Analyst, Food and Drug Department, informed Nightly News that the department has primarily recorded minor reactions which have not been a cause for concern.
We have an adverse reaction drug form that we would collect data on. So far, the department has received no adverse drug reaction report. However, there are reports of some side effects like chills, nausea, some headaches, and stuff like that.
Deaths and ailments such as paralysis are considered adverse reactions whether they are caused by the vaccine itself or in collaboration with a food or another drug which was taken before or after a person receives the jab. A number of adverse drug reaction forms initiated by the department have been distributed through the Maternal and Child Health Unit to vaccination sites across the country. Medical staff at these sites have been given the responsibility of recording adverse cases once they are reported.
If a person was administered a particular COVID-19 vaccine and they would have experienced some sort of adverse reaction or side effect, it's their responsibility to go to the nurse or anybody in that program there that is administering the vaccine to do the reporting.
In January, the Food and Drug Department authorized a waiver for the importation of the AstraZeneca vaccine, which was first donated to Ghana by the government of Barbados in February. Following that authorization, 9 additional waivers were approved for the import of the Sputnik V, Covaxin, and Sinopharm vaccines. Duncan pointed out that the department used the United Kingdom as a country of reference for approving the AstraZeneca vaccine, while the other vaccines were granted emergency use by Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony, as stipulated by the Food and Drug Regulations. The AstraZeneca vaccine has come under scrutiny for causing blood clots among recipients in several European countries. It was subsequently paused in those countries. However, the company has since denied the claims. Ghana is engaging candidates for the procurement of the single-shot Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine. That jab was on Tuesday also paused by the United States Food and Drug Administration and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention over similar blood clot concerns. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.